You are now watching Doorbell News.
Dallas, Texas. A female porch pirate is caught in the act.
What are you doing? Sorry, I just seen the...
Minneapolis, Minnesota. A man who was just released from jail needs an address.
It's me, come out. Come out.
Can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Yeah, this is me, come out. I was, just got out from jail. Here with my ankle.
St. Louis, Missouri. A woman catches a thief in the act, but she's so calm about it, the thief doesn't even pay her any mind.
Dude, stop. Put it back.
She probably should have just hit the alarm button or something. She didn't scare him at all. Hey, put that back. He leaves his bike behind. Minneapolis, Minnesota. A young female porch pirate appears to be rapping and stilling at the same time.
Porch, that's it. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Minneapolis, Minnesota. This guy appears to have flies following him around or something. I don't know if that's some new tweaker dance or he's doing some type of sign language, but this guy needs to get lost. He grabs the package and takes off. Take your flies with you. Las Vegas, Nevada. A man appears to be casing someone's house. He's spotted in the backyard looking inside the window. He then goes to the front and rings the doorbell and tries to see if someone is home.
Do something.
I just had a question. Are you guys selling this house?
No, we're not.
You don't look like you got any money to buy a house in Las Vegas, buddy. Where's your car at? Oh, you don't have a car. You have an office chair. This guy's using an office chair to get around. I've never seen anything like this. I mean, at least come with a scooter. Akron, Ohio. They motion like they about to kick in the door.
Hi, how are you? Do you have your wristband? I didn't think so. You can't get in. You can't get in. You have your hall pass. I'm not playing. I can't
I don't know what the hell this person's talking about.
You have to have your wristband.
They need to get lost. Sarasota, Florida. A blonde woman appears to be breaking in someone's garage. She opens the tool cabinet, but the alarm scares her off. It appears to be a woman based on the body structure.
Alarm, back door.
Minneapolis, Minnesota. A porch pirate wearing some sort of turban steals a package and rides off. Tampa, Florida. This guy seems to be lost.
How to get back there? I'm not from here. I'm from North Carolina.
Where are you trying to go?
I'm trying to get to Roulette Park.
Well, you need to go out to the street and bust a right and go down and then bust a right at the stop sign.
Take a right and take a right at Popeyes?
No. Look at the street. Turn around, look at the street, and then you're gonna bust a right. You're gonna go to the street and bust a right.
Thank you.
All right.
Well, I got directions for you. Make a left, make a right, get lost. Memphis, Tennessee. A man in a green hat and some green pants comes by looking in someone's mailbox, but gets caught in the act.
Who you looking for? Who you looking
Tony.
for? You at
Tony.
the wrong house, baby. Wrong house, police on the way.
Oh, my bad. Look, please, I am not trying. I thought this was a rumor house. Which one of these is the rumor house?
I don't know, baby, but you at a house. You at the wrong house. Police on the way.
I'm so sorry, man.
What does he have on? Some green crocodile pants? Get lost.
Parked in some motherfucking vehicle. All in my motherfucking mailbox. Is he in a vehicle? I don't know. Let me go to my other camera. Hey.
Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you. If you want to contribute to this channel, feel free. We really appreciate it. $1, $2, $5, $10, it really goes a long way. And we want to thank you for all contributions. Thanks for watching Doorbell News. New video coming tomorrow.
Thanks for watching Doorbell News. Subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.